Well, you know that part when I said I would polish this thing into a head turner again? Well, today we work on that by replacing this bracket here. Here's the new one. Came from Harley-Davidson. Those of you that need the part number, pause that. But here's what the new bracket looks like. It's the kickstand foot peg bracket on the left side of the bike. Here's the part on there. Before I removed it, it was pretty sloppy. My friend that rode the bike on one of the rides we went on said that was really hard to keep the peg in the down position. That ring there, those things are really hard to get off unless you get one of these tools here. It looks like a reverse set of pliers. Those little pins go inside the ring. It makes it a simple removal. I recommend getting that for taking, or just Harley-Davidson ownership, because the 3 bikes I've worked on so far have all used those type of rings. Anyways, the bracket's held on by 3 main bolts. It's 13 millimeter. Here we're using white lithium grease to lube the new bracket and where the shifter will be making contact there. Remember to use white lithium grease and not what you'll see later in the video of thread locker. The tubes look very similar. Anyways, there are some washers and special D-clips that snap back on. And we've got the assembly ready to go back on, but I also wanted to replace, like I said, we want this thing to be a head turner, so we gotta get rid of them scratches. So we're gonna take this case cover off. Pretty simple, just these 2 bolts here. There is a cog, I call it, or just a basic way to not screw up remounting the new one. I just went with the basic black. Again, here's the thread locker that you want to use. Really cleaned it back up. While we had everything off, we cleaned the frame up a little bit. Again, I still don't have a tripod to record these things, but replaced the shift peg and put the old kickstand back on. Put a new foot peg and new washers and a new ring. Everything feels solid now. The shifter feels solid and clears the casing. As always, hope you all enjoyed the video.